Hi guys, very simple app for you with very simple functionality. It's the social sentiment data, in particular Twitter sentiment. It measures positive and negative mentions of your selected stock on Twitter and then gives you a certain score. Here is the description of what it means in more details. So basically I'm fetching the data for Apple shares in this example, and you can see how the sentiment was changing for different hours. That's hours, that's the meaning, and you can see the data and make some conclusions about the market participants' opinion towards some particular stock. Again, this solution, this simple app is available for download on GitHub, and don't forget to read the README file where I explain how you can get the API key to get this data, and also I give you the link to the article about the social sentiment and why it is important. And also you can return back to the previous screen inside the trading data that I showed you earlier, and this is the data for your selected stock. You just choose the period and see inside the trader activity. Thank you very much for watching this video.